Entire life we spend thinking that what people talk about us. Entire life we spend thinking that what people talk about us. But at the end, people say only one thing. Ram Naam Satya hai. So stop thinking and get to your work. The attitude is like a window to the world. The attitude is like a window to the world. When the world doesn't look good, don't try to correct the world, but clean your window. Do you know what a positive attitude is? Positive attitude is a person's passport to enter a new and happy tomorrow. So keep this passport always with you. A person with a positive attitude cannot be stopped. A person with a positive attitude cannot be stopped. And a person with negative attitude cannot be helped. There is a power storehouse within you. There is a power storehouse within you. You can get everything from it which make your moment happy and glorious. And to open that power store, the key is your attitude. When positive ideas come to your mind, let them come. When positive ideas come to your mind, let them come. Because success begins in the mind, and it will become your words. And the words will become your actions. And once action becomes your habit, the success is yours. My dear, don't climb so high so that people can see you. Don't climb so high so that people can see you. Climb so high so that you can see the world. Sometimes you just have to play the role of a fool. Sometimes you just have to play the role of a fool to fool the fool who think they are fooling you. You can't wait for positive result when you spend 5 minutes in a day for it. You can't wait for positive results when you spend 5 minutes in a day for it and remaining hours thinking about negativity. Like 5 minutes exercise doesn't give you good result. The one thought which get you into the action. The one thought which get you into the action is worthy than 1,000 thoughts which come and go doing nothing. So nourish that one thought every day. Negative thoughts are the sign of poor attitude. Negative thoughts are the sign of poor attitude. Don't entertain them for long time every day. Don't entertain them for long time every day, or else they will make you handicapped soon. Look at the power of attitude. Look at the power of attitude. When you tell your attitude that all is well, when you tell your attitude that all is well, your attitude transform that into reality and you will start feeling that wellness. When you tell your attitude that I can do it, when you tell your attitude that I can do it, your attitude start giving idea how to do it. Stop criticizing others for their mistakes. Stop criticizing others for their mistakes. Get the time for yourself. Get the time for yourself and talk about your own mistakes. You will realize that you have plenty to correct. And friends, one more important thing. At our channel, you can upgrade your skills like communications, English grammar, computer, interview skills, and many more. So kindly visit our channel every day to upgrade yourself. The link is given in the descriptions. So thanks for watching. Have a great time.